So this trail is very easy. It's maybe 20 minutes long. It's also paved. It means that you have pavement, so it's not so difficult. If you have heart trouble or asthma or something, this is very accessible. It means you can go to, accessible to you. So let's go and let's take a look and let's smell that fresh air. And I have my hiking hat on now. Let's go. I can feel water on my neck. Damn. Fact check. That's what I was telling you about. There's water getting on the camera now.
I think I got it.
This is called Bridal Veil Falls because it looks like a bride's veil. I'm also a writer, and I'm writing a book about the travels of two animals for children. I'm going to write it in Japanese and English. So this is Mr. Sneaky Duck, Mr. Duck, and he has a friend, Mr. Crow. And these two animals have been to Paris, London, New York, Lisbon, Taipei, Taiwan, Cambodia, many, I can't think of all the places.